Hello, how are you? Today I am going to show you a new brand exercise bike. In my research, Sunny Health and Fitness indoor exercise bike with device mount and optional exclusive SunnyFit registered app, Bluetooth connectivity is one of the best from other. Let's go watch the video, why it best. This magnetic cycling exercise bike is meant to be used indoors by anyone from fitness enthusiasts and professionals looking to stay active at home. This is a product works your core and provides a multifunctional workout. Perfect for anyone that wants to add a low-impact cardio routine into their training plan. The integrated magnetic resistance puts you in full control of your workout intensity. Virtually no maintenance, micro-adjustable resistance creates an unbelievably smooth ride that creates multiple levels of riding for enthusiasts of all levels. The thoughtfully designed 4-way adjustable seat and 2-way adjustable handlebars adapt to any rider's body type, making this bike accessible to many. The easy-to-read LCD monitor clearly displays your time, speed, distance, calories, RPM, and pulse. Keep track of your progress and stay on top of your fitness goals. This bike has a durable belt drive mechanism that is smooth and silent, allowing you to focus more on your performance while you are on the bike. With Bluetooth connectivity, the SunnyFit app allows you to access an array of free cycling and fitness programs for all levels. Track your fitness and cycle along with Sunny Health and Fitness expert trainers on the SunnyFit app. Connect your preferred mobile device through Bluetooth and view your performance metrics in real time. This exercise bike is constructed with a well-made frame and quality steel, so it is very sturdy and stable. This is built to withstand the most intense workouts. Advanced contoured and padded handlebars provide a comfortable grip. Stay engaged through long, intense cycling sessions. The highlight of this magnetic exercise bike is its innovative patented flywheel design, based on Sunny's years of experience and research. This wheel is built for speed using environmentally friendly material. You can buy the exercise bike of dark color with 57.3 pounds weight, alloy steel and magnetic size 59.8 DX 23.4 watts X 47.6H drive system belt without any hesitation. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video ministrant, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and comment below. Check out the description to find the product links.